Alright, we've got the Ruger EC9s today. We're going to field strip basically. We're going to disassemble it for basic cleaning and then we're going to reassemble it. Okay, there's a couple things we need to do. Of course, is clear this gun, magazine out, nothing in the chamber. Now, with this one, it will not. You need to pull the trigger to actually disassemble it, and it's not going to. It's got a magazine disconnect. So we're going to insert empty magazine, pull the trigger, pull the magazine back out. Alright, the next thing we're going to do is this little right here. It's basically just a cover basically. We're going to pull this down just like that. Now we're going to have to see where this lines up right there. See if we can see that. See that? See if I can get it lined up. Right there. We've got the pin lined up with the groove right there. We're going to push from the other side, which is over here, right in here. So we're going to take a little screwdriver. Now they do have the Ruger tool, and if you have the Ruger tool, that's fine. Use your Ruger tool, pull it back just like that. Start your pin out, pull back a little more, and then the pin comes out. Hold on to your pin, and then we're just going to take the slide and slide it forward. Alright, so the frame is ready to clean. For the slide, we're going to take the rod and spring out, so we're going to push forward, pull up, forward up just like that, and then we're going to take the barrel, we're going to push it forward, wiggle it, pull it out, just like that. So this is totally disassembled to do your cleaning, so now you can do your cleaning and then come back and watch how to reassemble it. Please like, subscribe, and comment on this video below. Thanks! Alright, so we're going to reassemble it. We're going to take the barrel and slide down in the slide right there just like that. It's going to kind of seats in. Then we're going to take the spring, the fat end of the spring. You got your skinny end down here. Now you have your flat part here, and this one's smaller and it's more beveled. This goes toward the front, and we're going to sit it down in the little notch right here. Now that you see a little bit of a bevel right there, kind of a notch in there. And what we're going to do is we're going to take this and we're just going to give it some pressure, just enough to seat it down in there. And with it seated down in there is what we're looking for, just like that. Alright, so now we're going to take your little grooves here. We're going to match it with the rails on your slide. We're going to send it down in, wiggle it in. Once it's wiggled in, we've got to line this hole right here up. Take your pin, I'm going to reinsert it, push it all the way in. You may have to take your screwdriver to push it all the way. Then take your little cover right there. This is basically just a cover to keep it in place so the pin doesn't pop in. It can't come out this side, but it could while firing come out this side, so you just pull your little cover or your latch. You pull it up. Now we're going to rack it. We're going to insert the magazine, pull the trigger, magazine, we're good to go. Alright, this is completely reassembled and it's ready to go do some shooting.